friends. How are you? Hope you are well, wherever you are. My apology, the last two videos, the sound quality wasn't great. So hopefully with this video, the sound quality will be fine. And if you have a still issue, please do let me know. And now what we'll do in this video, we'll check whether we have a Python install or not in our computers or laptops, So just go to the search and just write it on CMD, and in there you can check whether we have Python install or not. Just write it on Python. If it's installed, it will show you there is a what versions you have, and it will go straight away to the Python environment. So if you just write it down 5+2, and you can see it's showing the 7. So you can write it on Python program there as well. So just going to um, exit from there. Just write an exit and the parenthesis. It will get out from the Python environment. So if you do have install, you can see what version you have, and if you don't have, you will see the error message. So if you do find you have no Python install, just go to the um, Google's or any search engines and write it on Python's download. I have there. So just and from there you can just go to that link, the first link on the top, and then you can see the current version is Python 3.9.6, but I have 3.9.5. So that will do, so. And if you are using the Macs or it's a Linux, and you can choose it depends on what operating system you're using, and you can select from there. And if you still do have a problem with installing and downloading Pythons, just do let me know on the comment sections, and I'll help you. And so that's it. Hopefully see you in the next video. So okay, thanks, bye bye.